Hey there! Today I want to show you how you can get thousands of page likes for a very, very low cost. How you can promote your page and get the most out of it. Alright? First thing, you need to have a fan page or a business page. Some people call it fan page, other people call it business page. It doesn't matter what you call it, they're all the same thing. If you don't have one yet, go through my channel, subscribe to my channel, and you can see that I have other videos on how to set up a fan page or a business page. I guide you step by step on how to get it done. And I also have a video that teaches you how to get a business ad account, and I'm going to tell you what this is. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your regular page. Just log into your Facebook account. This is my home page. And once you log into your Facebook account, you click here on that drop down next to the question mark. And here's the business manager. Here are my pages, and this is the business manager. If you don't have a business manager is an account inside Facebook that you're going to be using to do your marketing, your paid advertisement. If you don't have one yet, again, I have a video that teaches you how to get that set up as well. So go through my videos and you see that. So here I'm going to go to this account right here that I have already been using for a while. And nowadays, Facebook allows you to have two business accounts for ads, and you can have one ad account per business. Back in the days, they used to let you have more. That's why I have a few for one business. But nowadays, you can only have one. If you create your account today, you're only going to have one business. This is the business, your DIY, work at home. And these are the ad accounts. When I created this account, I was allowed to have 5. Nowadays, you can only have 1. So I'm going to be using this one here, account number 2. Let me click on it and open that account. And here it is. I already have a few things that I was working on. And to start creating a page like campaign, you're going to click on create, the green button. And over here, when it opens this page, let me start over because I was working on this. We're going to go to engagement. I want you to click on engagement. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on page likes. Now, let me tell you why you need to have thousands of page likes. Once someone likes your page, they become your follower. And it's very important for you to have a number, because once you start promoting a product, once you start advertising a product or something that you want to do online, or a teaching course, or public speaking, whatever it is that you want to promote online, you want to have some social proof. You need to have social proof. So when people go to your page and they see an empty page, you have no followers, you have nobody watching your stuff, you have nobody there, they're going to go, who is this person? And what they're going to do? They're going to leave, they're going to get out, they're going to run away from your page. Now, when they go in there and they see that you have thousands of likes and thousands of followers, they're going to think, this person might be interesting. What is she saying? What is he saying? What is he selling? What is he promoting? And they're going to watch it with different eyes once they see that you have thousands of followers. And I'm going to teach you a trick to get those 1,000 followers at a very low cost. So once you click on here, you click on page likes, and instead of engagement, we're going to do page likes. And here I'm going to put the name of the page that I am going to be promoting. So I have a business, my page name is Innovative Solutions. So that's my page name. You can put your page name in there because I have multiple pages, because I have multiple businesses. So today I want to promote this page specifically. So I click on continue. And once again, you need to have that page set up. If you don't have a business page or a fan page, go through my videos. I have a video that teaches you how to do that. And also I have a video that teaches you how to create this, this page here, this account, a business account for ads. So here, it's going to show you the pages that you have, and you're going to select which one. In this case, I'm going to promote this one here, the Innovative Solutions page. And down here, where it says United States, I live in the United States, that's why it shows United States. But if you live in another country or another place, it's going to be displaying that place. You can always delete that, because remember, the purpose for this campaign is to get the most like possible. So we're going to go worldwide. We're going to go big. We're going to go worldwide because I want to get likes from all over the world, because I want to be known all over the world. And also, because the purpose for this campaign is just to get numbers. It's not to sell anything, it's not to promote anything, it's just a numbers game. So here I'm gonna go worldwide region, and there I have the whole entire globe, and here where it says include, I'm going to exclude California. That's the state in the United States, California. Why am I excluding it? Oh, please, people, nothing against California. I love California, been there, loved it. But the reason why I exclude it is because California is one of the most expensive states to promote to. And if I want to get the most like at the lowest cost, I need to exclude California just for this purpose, okay? So I exclude California, and then I scroll down here and I leave 18 to 65 plus, that's okay, all men and women. And language, I want English, because since my target is to get page likes, and I want people who speak English all over the globe. Because what I'm gonna write on my page is in English. So I'm gonna select English. Now, if you live in a country where you wanna sell products and your products are only specific to your home language, and you don't wanna sell it worldwide, you just wanna sell to a specific location that speaks a specific language, you can do that. You can target just that country and just that language. But I cannot guarantee that you're gonna get likes at the low cost that I am teaching you here. Okay, so this is for numbers only. And over here, I'm gonna exclude all these interests because this is from a campaign I was running before. Now, here is the trick. Here is the big secret. Have you noticed how on social media, especially Facebook, how people that post videos with cats and dogs, how they go viral? Because people love pets. They love pets. So we're gonna use that strategy to get page likes in our page. I'm gonna use a picture of a puppy. And I'm gonna select here, dogs. People who like dogs. And look at this number. Just look at this. Look how many people have liked things related to dogs on Facebook. Over 314 million people have liked things related to dogs. So I'm gonna select dogs. And then Facebook's gonna show my ad to all these people that like dogs. Well, not all those 300 million people, because in order to reach all of them, I would have to spend a lot of money, and I'm not gonna put a lot of money into this. So it depends on how much money you're investing on your campaign. That's how much people you're gonna get. Right now, it's showing me here, just the dogs. My estimated reach is about 2,800 to 18,000 people. From what I have here so far. And down here, the connections, it's going to exclude people who already like your page, and that's fine, because if you already have someone liking your page, some followers, Facebook is not going to show this ad to them because you don't need to spend money with them because they already like your page. So it's fine for Facebook to exclude people who already like your page. And then down here, it's the amount of money. You see, for $25 a day, this is how much people I'm going to be reaching a day. Now, I'm gonna bring this down because this is for training purpose only, and of course I do want to get some likes on my page. So I'm gonna do, I can do $5 a day, you can do $1 a day. It depends how fast you want to get the audience. If you want to start promoting a product really soon and you want to get thousands of likes in just a few days, so put more money. The more money you put in, the more likes you get a day. So I'm going to put $5 a day, and then I click outside of it so it can change down here. $5 a day, and then I click on continue. Oh, hold on, let me go back in here on the budget. If I click here on the left side, I can see I can go back on the budget. If you see when I changed to $5 a day, see how it lowered the number of reach per day? Remember before when I had $25 a day, it was 2,800 and more, and now it went down to 560 people a day to 3,500. It depends on how well your ad goes, and that's what the money means. Okay, now going back, click on continue. Here's my page up here, and then I want a single image. Always have single image. You can do a video, but I don't, for this purpose, don't do a video, just do a single image. And over here, we're gonna add more image. I'm gonna click on add more. But before we do that, let me show you a trick. You open a new page on Google, and then on the search bar up here, this is what I was looking. You put puppy or kitty, whatever animal you want to use for your page. But I advise either a dog or a cat because those are the most favorite on Facebook. So I was searching for puppy, and then when I clicked, I went down here and I selected my image that I liked. Where is it again? Let me go and find it. Where did it go? Oh, it's so many. Now I can't see where it went. Anyways, I had it saved. Let me show you how you save. Let's say you select a dog. You select a picture that you like, and once you select it, you right click on the image and then you click on Save Image As. And then you can save it on your desktop, you can save it on your downloads, whatever you want to save it. You name it, you can name it puppy, and then you just click save. And then it's gonna save to your computer. I always like to save it on desktop because it's easier for me to find it later, but I'm not gonna save this one because this is not the one that I chose. So let me go back here to the Ads Manager, and then I click on Add More Image. It's gonna open my computer, and this is the image I had selected before. And then I click Open, and there it is. And then I delete the one that it brings automatically, and those are my puppies. See how cute they are, all snuggled up together. Very cute. Who is not gonna like that? Everybody's gonna like that. And here's the thing, where it says text, I want you to delete whatever it is that it says on your page, and I want you to start with a question mark, with a question. When you start with a question, even though people are not gonna type in the answer, in the back of their head, the reaction is to answer. Whenever they see an action, even if they don't say the answer, they are thinking about the answer. So this is the strategy. You ask a question. Are we adorable or what? Let's say something. Friends are the best thing. And there it is. I made a question, and then I said friends are the best thing. And then you see on the right here where it has the picture and the question, you see that little hand that says yes, like. When people see that, their reaction will be to click on that little hand and say, yes, they are adorable, because I am targeting people who like dogs. So they will react to this immediately, like that, okay? So that's it. And then once you're done with everything here, you just click on confirm. If this is the first time that you are placing a paid ad, after you click on confirm, the next page will open a page for you to put your credit card information. So you just fill that out. Don't worry about it. Just fill it out, because Facebook will charge you monthly on whatever it is that you spend each day on your ad. And then you fill it out, and then you click continue. Or you can just select PayPal and link your Facebook account with your PayPal, and then they're gonna charge you on PayPal. Now, here's the thing. Once you have your campaign running, it says here in review, and in order for you to know if Facebook has approved it or not, because Facebook will review your ad, because they have rules and regulations, what you do is you click on this refresh button on the top left, and then let's see, sometimes they approve it immediately, sometimes it takes a little while. In this case, it is taking a little longer than I thought it would. So let's try it again. Let's refresh this page. And let's see. There it is. It's active. Facebook has approved the ad. So now we just have to watch it. Now, pay attention to this. You have created an ad and you're spending a certain amount of money a day, but you're not going to be charged on your card daily. Facebook's going to send you an invoice on a monthly basis. So it's going to go on as long as you want. So let's say that you have this ad running for 2 days, 3 days, and you got the amount of likes that you wanted to get. What you need to do is, you see this blue button over here? You just click it and it's going to turn gray. So you turn the ad off and Facebook will stop the charges. So you leave it on as long as you want. When you have reached the amount of page likes that you like, you just turn it off. You just go back in here and you turn it off. Now, remember how to go back in there? Yes, just go back to the beginning of this video and you will see how you can go back to this page. And that's it. Your campaign is running, and all you have to do now is watch for your results. Now, let me show you here. Let me go back to the home page here, and let me show you my other page that I had promoted before. This is the other page that I have. And in here, if you scroll down here, you can see that I have over 3,000 followers. You see, I have over 3,000 people following me on this page because I had created a page like. Now, everything that I post on this page, not everyone, because Facebook will not show it to all 3,000 people, but a percentage of these people will see my posts and they will like, they will comment. I am creating social proof. So now when I promote a product or I try to sell something on this page, and then people go in here and they see that I have over 3,000 followers, that's going to give me authority. That's going to give them more confidence on purchasing from me or watching a video. When I share a video here or something, they're going to say, oh, she's like a lot. She has a lot of followers. There's a lot of people liking her page. She must be interesting, or whatever it is that she's promoting might be good because look at how many people she has following her. And this is the target. This is why we are creating this page like campaign. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos coming up to help you. Talk to you soon.